Hello everyone, I'm Prabhakar talking to you. So in this video, what we are going to see in Excel custom views. And before talking about this video, it's my request if you have not subscribed to my channel DPAB Hosur, please do subscribe it and press bell icon button and click all so that you will get notification about all the videos whatever I'm posting. And next, if you like this video, please press like button and write comment about this, and share this particular video also to your friends. Okay, now we will get into the video now. So what is custom views we are going to see. After that, we are going to see how to create custom views. And finally, we are going to see controlling custom views through macros. Okay, so now this particular sheet is there. Okay, now this particular sheet is having some options like this. I'll just show you here some V1, V2, V3 buttons are there. So I'm just pressing V1. What is happening? You'll just see that. So method, use this method if you want to select that particular content about a topic. I just wanted to show this to the visitors who is visiting my blog or my website or this particular video, right? So now this, when I press this V1, this area is visible now. When I press V2, the second area is visible now. And when I press V3 button, the third area is visible now. So how to set this? So you have this view tab in this place, right? When you go here, custom views button is there in this icon. Just click on this. Whatever custom views in the dialog box which I have created already has come here. Now I'll just delete all these things and then we will just work on this. View 1, delete. Yes. View 2, delete. Yes. View 3, delete. Yes. Okay. So now again, so let me just show you this current view is like this. So I'll click this as no view. I'm just adding the data here as no view. That means nothing is visible now. So this particular screen, I'm just saving it as no views. Okay, no view. So giving it okay. That means row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 5, 4, 5 is visible, and row number 73 only is next line visible now. So when I just scroll it up, you'll be able to see one by one like this, right? So now when I press this button, this scroll area, it is now the view is changed. So how to go back to that particular original no views area? Click on the custom view. Now in the custom view dialog, we have created only one view that is named as no view. Click on show. So now it is just going there. You are seeing the 73rd row, which is in the frozen concept. It is there, right? Now we'll just see how to create view number 1. So view number 1 from here, it should come like this. Okay. So row number 1 to row number 26 is visible where this particular content is made available, right? So now we are just focusing on this area. So visitor can see this when I'm explaining about this particular screen. So how to make it happen? I'll just go to customs view, click on the no view, click, and then now it is in the original area. Now click custom views again. So you are having the show, close, add, delete buttons are there. So to create a new view, click on add. Okay. So when you are just going to create a new name like this. So before this, just cancel it. Go to the area where you want to show. So this particular area I want to show. So this particular area I want to capture this under custom views. Click on custom views. Click on add and type view 1. So this is going to be our view 1. Okay. Now, so second screen I wanted to show to the visitor or the YouTube visitor, whoever is subscriber, they want to see this. Now, this particular area, I'm keeping my cursor here. Okay, now I'm keeping my focus, not cursor, focus on this place and click on this custom views and click on this add view 2. Okay, now it is there. Okay. Now, you will just see that custom view, go back, no views, click on show. It goes to the particular area where we have seen this row number 1 to 5 visible and row number 73 onwards is visible. because it is already frozen there, right? Right now, click on custom views, click on view 1 or view 2, show. Now it is view 2 is available. Next, click on custom views, go to view 1. Now view 1 is available now. Like this, how to create the view 3. So this is method 1 view, and this is method 2 view, and this is method 3 view. Okay. So to show this method 3 to the participant or the audience, I want to fix this as a custom view name as view 3. Got it? So now it is all available. We have set everything. So how to assign this to the button so that we are just going to get all these things. Okay, now I'll just do one thing. I'll rename this sheet with the spelling error, methods by Microsoft, right? Now, straight away coming here, if you are not clicked on this, if you are not having this developer tab for creating the macro recording all these things, then you have to insert it, right? How to insert it? Click on anywhere in the ribbon area. You will get this add to quick access toolbar, hide quick access toolbar, customize the ribbon, collapse the ribbon. So click on straight on this customize the ribbon. Now you will be able to see this Excel option dialog box is there. So it is by default, it is going to customize a ribbon. And then straight away, if you come to the right side pan, you are seeing this developer tab is now tick mark is available. If you are using this uh, Microsoft Office 2016 or 2020, 21 like this, anything else later on that, this will be available. I'm not sure it is available in Microsoft Office before 2016 or not, but now we will just work on this. My laptop is currently having this Microsoft Office licensed version is 2021. Okay. So now I just click OK. Now that particular developer tab is not available here. You are seeing this home, insert, draw, whereas developer tab is not available. So how to make it happen here? Right click on the ribbon area, click on the customize the ribbon, and now it is on the customize ribbon by default. It is coming here. From this center pan also you can move anything if it is required there, but it is already available here. Click on the developer tab, give OK. So now developer tab is appearing here. So we need to go to developer tab and click on this record macro to create the macro, whatever we are going to see this. Okay, before that, I want to set it here. Okay, now this particular view, I'm just keeping it here. Okay, anywhere you can just keep it. So now I want to see the view 1 first. Okay, how to see view 1? By selecting this button, I wanted to see this. So record that macro. So this is view 1 macro. Macro, okay, macro name should not have any space between this. If you want a space, you should not use dash or star or any other symbol. Just press shift and this one. It is called as underscore. So v1 macro like this. Now, if you want to write something here in the description, this macro displays custom view named as view 1. Is that right? Okay. I'm just selecting it now. So what I'm going to do now, you are just seeing this now, this record macro symbol is now turned to stop recording with a square on this. Same way, come left side, bottom of your laptop, you'll be seeing after this ready, there is a one more square box is there. So when you just hover your mouse over that, you are seeing the tooltip showing a message. A macro is currently recording. Click to stop recording. Okay, you can go and click here also to stop recording or click here also to stop recording. Here, if this is available, we will just do it. Before that, what is the process we are going to do here is click on this view tab, click on this custom views, click on this view 1 and show. So we have made one action, right? Right? You have clicked on this view button and selected this custom views and selected the view 1 from the available custom view names. Now, instead of going to this developer tab and finding that area to stop recording, straight away come to this left side bottom, and you are seeing this rectangle, no? This square. Click on this, it will just stop the macro recording. So now the macro recording is done. How to see that? Right click any sheet. You can right click on this methods by Microsoft or AIM or different or same anything, any sheet. Right click on that, click on this view code, and you will be seeing this with Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window, where you will be seeing this after the words Microsoft Visual Basic for Application, one hyphen is there, dash is there. Okay, after that, our file name will appear, our Excel file name will appear here. This window is not Excel file name. This window is of Microsoft Visual Basic for Application Editor, right? And then you are having our file name. This is our file name, which ends with the .xlsm. M stands for macro enabled. It's not an ordinary file. Ordinary file will not save the macro. It will erase the macro if you save it as .xlsx, which I will explain later here. Now, simply understand that it is macro enabled workbook, and sheet 4 code it displays. That means Microsoft Excel object is having sheet 1 code area, sheet 2 code area, sheet 3 code area, sheet 4 code area. So now it is sheet 4 code area selected. So if I click double click sheet 3, then here it will come sheet 3 code area. So I am normally any macro will not sit any of this sheet module here. Okay, so it will not sit in the this workbook macro module also. Whereas it will automatically create one module, and then in that module only it will be there. So when I just select this module, you are seeing that nothing is there. Okay, why? You see here in this place, sheet 3 code only is now activated. So this white color big area is sheet 3 code area, because you are seeing this sheet 3 was earlier. I have double clicked and selected. So if I have to see this module 1 here, double click on that, then you will see this on the top, module 1 code is there. Now you are seeing this many macros are already stored here, right? And in this, what macro we have created will just come here now. You can just see here, view 1 macro. This is what we have created now. Okay. All the other macros, we can just delete it. I will just remove everything. You can just go and delete it like this. Press back button. So this is the macro which we have created, view 1 macro. So all these single quote and all will not be executed those lines. These are the lines which will not be understood by the computer. Only the developer like me can understand this. According to Visual Basic, VB is the language. Visual Basic is the language of Microsoft applications. So whatever this single quote it is, that line is starting, you are able to see that LN gate. So currently my cursor is on the line 8 and column 2. So I'll just click on this before S. Now you are seeing this line 1, column 1. So I'll press one delete button there. Now that space line is deleted. Now this line 1, column 1. Like this, line 2 is starting with the single quote. So computer will not execute the line because it will not understand. Computer will not understand. Same way, line 3, line 4, line 5, line 6. Line 6 is blank. You can have any number of blank lines between these codes, but understand that the macro, when it is recording, it will start with sub and then end with end sub. So after this sub, you will be seeing this. This is the macro name or the procedure name, okay, or the VBA name, right? So this is the macro name. We call it as macro name or procedure. Now, when you are seeing here, so this procedure tooltip is coming here now. So if I click here, how many macros are created in this page? In this module 1 code, you are seeing this view 1 macro. Okay, right. Now I'll close this, and I just wanted to go to next one. So this time I want to create another macro which will display this view number 2. So straight away I can come and see this. Now the icon is this symbol is changed to looking like a camera. So when I just hover over this, when I use my mouse and hover over this icon, you are seeing this tooltip as no macros are currently recording. Click to begin recording a new macro. So I will click on this. So now This macro 10 is the default name, which I want to change it to view to macro. Okay. So we can write here is this macro will display macro, so not macro, custom view 2. Okay. Custom view 2. View. Okay. So what I want to do now, the second action, the very first action is custom view. Just click on this, select this view 2, click on this show. So it is showing now here. So this is the action. Now it is already recorded through the macro. And straight come to the left side and bottom, you can just see this now the rectangle is appearing there. That means macro is still running. So when I click on this, macro will now stop recording. Clicked. Now macro 2 is also completed. If I go to this view code here, right click and see this, the module 1, double click and see that. Then now the sub and end sub between that, this view 2 macro is created. So you can just see here, active workbook dot custom views within bracket view 1 dot show. This is the actual code written by the computer during the macro recording for view 1 macro, right? Now, this macro view 2 macro or procedure name. Now you will be seeing here more than one procedure in this area. Okay, this is view 1 macro. We already seen only it was there below declaration. Now view 2 macro is there. Okay, view 2 macro is also having, you see, some 7 or 8 lines here in which this line will be executed because it is not starting with single quote, and this line will be executed because this is not starting with single quote, and this line also will execute and stop the macro being run now. Okay. Now, view to macro, what action it will do? So this is the only next step it is going to do. Active workbook dot custom use view to dot show. That means the custom view should show view tour here. Now I'll close this. We will just click now this again, record a macro. I want to create view 3 macro, view 3 underscore macro. So I'm just putting sometimes underscore macro, sometimes without underscore macro. You need to understand that. Okay. So if you want to give a macro name with a space, then underscore should be there. That is the purpose of creating this with space, without space. With the space means with the underscore we have to do it, right? This, the description of writing, this macro display custom view 3. Okay. So straight away I'll now go here, start with this custom views, select this view 3, click on show button. Now it is selecting this and come to the left side here and then click on this square area and the macro is now stopped running this. Fine. Now how many macros we have created? Just right click and we will click on this view code and see this. And in this module 1, we should click. Right now, you see this sheet 4 code is available on the top. Microsoft Visual Basic for application. And then our file name is available with .xlsm, as I told you, it is macro enabled one. And sheet 4 code is now visible there where there is no code here. If you go and see here in the declaration also in the sheet 4 code, nothing is there. If I click on this, double click on this workbook, there also declaration, if you go there, there is no macro in this. So normally macro recording is storing in the module only. Under module we have module only, module 1 only. If you want to create another module by learning advanced level of VBA, then you have to click on this module 1. So you will get module 2 like this. And when you create that module by inserting that, by default that module newly created, the name will come and appear on the top. Now we need to check module 1. So I'm selecting double click on this. So whatever macros are available, view 1 macro, view 2 macro, v3 macro. So where is our v3 macro? This is our v3 macro. Okay. So it is starting with sub, it is ending with end sub, and in between this code, which is active workbook dot custom use view 3 dot show will be appearing. Now how to apply this on this button? Just click on this. I will just delete all these buttons, or I will just remove the button. The assign macro, you can just remove it. Okay. If you click on this, if you create a shape like this. Just click on the shape, any shape like this. Just drag it and V1, type it V1 here. Okay. Now right click on the shape. Then you come through this context menu. Right click means it is context menu. You have starting with cut, copy, paste options, so many things are there. Straight after the middle area, if you come here, assign macro is there. Click on this, the macro, assign macro dialog box will open here. So when it is V1, we have typed in that shape as V1 as the text. So I want to show V1 macro, give OK. So when I press this now button, this V1, it will show V1, V1. It is automatically showing there. So same way, now assign this macro in V2. So selecting this V2, give OK. And now V3, assign macro, V3 macro. Okay. Now you will be seeing this V2, it is going there. V3, it's going to V3 area. So V1 is here, we have selected here. V1 previously, which I have assigned to the earlier macro, which we have developed, we have deleted that. It will not work here. Okay. So how to reassign that, even though hand symbol is there, right click on this. Okay. It should not come to this vertical line is blinking means we are trying to edit the text. We are not going to get the assign macro. So come and move your cursor like this. Four side black arrow cursor should like come like this. Right click on this, then you will get this assign macro. Click on this view macro one, give OK. Right. So I hope you have understood and enjoyed this video on custom views. We have seen that. Creating custom view, we have seen that. Controlling custom views through macros recording, that also you have seen that. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care. Bye.